Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create Maleficent in Dress to Impress. Okay guys, this is for the outfit and I'm going to show you how I made this one. First of all guys, you can choose this hairstyle and you're going to color it black like this, and you're going to remove the bangs and put on this hat, make it black, and you can scale it. Okay, make it smaller. And then you're going to put on this boot, make it black, and put on the sleeves from the witch set, and you're going to color it black. And this dress, and you can choose to go for, and you can color it black. And then put on this item from the VIP room, and also this one, you can color it black. And then the corset, you can choose this one, and you're going to color it black. Okay, and then I'm going to go to the changing room and I'm going to select the skirt from the withered rose set, this one, and then we're going to choose only skirt, no layer, and make it black for the first selection and also the second selection. Okay, and the next one, I'm going to choose the sleeves. We're going to make it black. Okay, this is from the withered rose set as well, and make them all black like this. Alright, and then I'm going to go to the coats item and choose the Sabrina Carpenter dress, and then we're going to make it black. Okay, done guys. And then I'm going to go to the VIP room. Okay, and I'm going to choose this item, this one, and then we're going to make it all black like this guys. Okay, done. And then the last one, I'm going to put on this wings and we're going to make it black. Okay, and this is for the final result. Okay guys, and that's all the way to create Maleficent in Dress to Impress. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.